Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to the Little Stories. Today we're making a delicious egg rice recipe. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Here I have fluffy cooked basmati rice. Using cooled basmati rice gives the best texture for this recipe. Before we start cooking, let's quickly take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using today. Let's finely chop one medium onion. This adds natural sweetness and wonderful flavor to our egg rice. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add the finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and light golden. Now add the green chilies, fresh curry leaves, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Sauté everything until the raw smell disappears. Now add the finely chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they become soft and blend beautifully with the onions. Now add turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix everything well and cook until the masala becomes rich and aromatic. Cook the masala on medium heat for about 2 minutes until it becomes rich, fragrant, and the oil starts separating. Now crack 3 eggs directly into the masala. Gently scramble them until the eggs are soft, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. Now add the cooked basmati rice. Make sure the rice is cool and fluffy for the best texture. Gently fold the rice into the egg masala until every grain is evenly coated. This keeps the rice fluffy and full of flavor. In Tamil Nadu, this delicious egg rice is popularly known as Muttai Sadam. Gently fold the rice into the masala until every grain is beautifully coated while keeping the rice fluffy. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. This simple finishing touch adds wonderful freshness and aroma to our delicious Muttai Sadam. Our delicious Tamil Nadu style Muttai Sadam is now ready to serve. This is absolutely delicious. It has just the right amount of spices. It is perfect. I hope you'll enjoy making this recipe at home. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe to The Little Stories. Tell me in the comments which recipe you'd like to see next and I'll make it especially for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next recipe. Bye!